This is the Infinite Pro hair dryer with a built-in diffuser from Conair, and I've been using that for three plus years now, since I started my curly hair journey, and I got this to make it easier for the diffusing part. It comes with this normal extension, which I have never used because my hair is curly, and the way that it looks right here, you have off, low, high, which is the speed, and then here it's the cool, warmer, hot, the temperature, and then you can just press on the cold button to get some cool air injected when it's too hot, when it's getting too hot. And then the air comes out of this section here so that it doesn't disturb the curls. All across here, the air comes from here and here. I don't know. Let's see it works in action. So I'm literally 3 minutes into the drying, and it's already almost like 80% dry. My hair was only microfiber towel dry before for about 10 minutes. So I'll let it dry for another 2-3 minutes, and then the rest air dry. All right, it's been a few more minutes. My hair's almost dry. It's a little damp still in the back, but I'm gonna let it air dry from now. It was really simple and quick and easy, so worth a try. It does the job, and I would give it a thumbs up.